Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will be working on my widebody Mark II Golf, Volkswagen Golf Mark II. It's synchro 4-wheel drive, and I just painted two of the remaining doors, and next we are gonna wet sand the hood, and then we can put this amazing color on that thing too. And we will probably do some things to the 1.8 turbo, because I'm 1.8 turbo swapping this car. The engine is right there, and here is a big turbo for it. So let's start by taking this door off here, because the hood is under. Okay, next is gonna be a lot of wet sanding. Okay, that was just 20 minutes of wet sanding, but for you it's like just 10 seconds. But next I'm gonna do the other side, and then let's see what we will do. Okay, I will make some body filler now, because there are few spots on the hood that need to be filled. And I also put the doors on the car. You probably have seen the real video of it. We can put it on this hood. Okay, next I will sand these spots that have the body filler on. I will add some body filler on some spots. Okay, so now this hood is ready for paint, so we can start painting. Okay, next I'm gonna take this hood and put it here, and then we can paint the other side. Okay, so next we are gonna put the clear coat on this side of the hood, and then tomorrow I will put this hood on this table, and we are gonna do the other side, so the other side doesn't get those drips. Okay, so now this hood is on the table, so now we can put the clear coat on this side. Okay guys, I did some research and I realized that I need to use this old clutch on the engine. So next we are gonna take it out. Okay, now all the bolts are out, so next I'm gonna... Okay, it might come off pretty easy, but let's see. Oh, there it comes. Hopefully I didn't break anything, but it's out. Very good.
Oh. Oh. Voi. Jostain nyt tekniikkaa lisää. Ota, nyt ei. Oliko se mahtaa käydä siellä? Pitäis olla tommonen yhtä tiukka sovitesti.
Okay, next I'm gonna give these pulley wheels that are on the alternator and water pump and stop quickly the change off with this because they are kind of crusty. Okay, now we can let those dry, and while those dry we can install this hydraulic pump. Okay, I put one bolt in and now we can put the rest. Okay, I will put this. This is probably the crankshaft puller, so let's install it. Okay, the alternator became pretty clean. I need to clean it a little bit more, but we have a slight problem. I only have 2 of these bolts because when I took this engine apart, I broke many bolts, these kind of bolts. So I will just put one in each one of these, so then we can get a little bit progress, and at some point I will buy new ones for this. Okay guys, I think I did this thing wrong. I need to take this bolt out and put this piece on here. So this, here comes the belt, it comes to here, then the alternator, and then here's a different belt. This puller drives this puller, and this puller drives the water pump. So let's take that out and do it again. Okay, now this thing can go in. Niin näitä pultteja pitää tilata uusia. On kylmää autotalla. Okay, next I'm gonna put this new thermostat here. First this, then this ceiling thing, and then this. And the bolts.
Joo. Ilmassa ei vähän.
So I didn't have the gasket for the oil pan, so I just put it with few screws, bolts, and now it's there. But next we are gonna put the clutch and flywheel and stuff in. Next is gasket thing, I don't know, and then these bolts. Mä huomioin, että pulttien päät on näin lyhyet. Okay, now comes the flywheel and the clutch.
Montakin vaihtoehtoa. Sitten.
I'm gonna put this junction box or whatever it's called on the gearbox. Okay, next we are gonna fit the gearbox on the engine. We got some good progress done in this video. Here's a little sneak peek in the new video. But thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye.